Welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro. In today's video, we bring you the complete, in-depth review of the Sony Xperia 1 2026, a flagship smartphone that takes Sony's innovation and premium identity to the next level. This year, Sony has focused heavily on camera quality, display clarity, performance stability, and real-life usability. If you're thinking about buying a top-tier smartphone in 2026, this review will tell you everything you need to know. The camera system is one of the strongest highlights of the Xperia 1 2026. Sony's new triple lens setup includes enhanced real-time autofocus, improved low-light photography, deeper contrast levels, and extremely natural colors. Daylight photos come out sharp with great dynamic range, while night shots show more detail with reduced noise. The 4K HDR video recording is still industry-leading, and Sony's stabilization now feels more cinematic and smooth, making it perfect for vlogging or short filmmaking. When it comes to performance, the Xperia 1 2026 runs on the latest flagship chipset, offering ultra-fast speed, smooth multitasking, and excellent gameplay without frame drops. Sony has improved thermal control this year, so even during long gaming sessions, the phone heats less and maintains consistent performance. Apps open quicker, animations feel smoother, and the overall experience is premium. Sony's signature 4K OLED display returns, brighter, sharper, and even more vibrant than before. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or gaming, the viewing experience feels immersive. Sony clearly leads the market when it comes to display sharpness and cinematic quality. Battery life also sees meaningful upgrades. With improved optimization and a larger cell, the Xperia 1 2026 lasts comfortably for a full day on mixed usage. The enhanced fast charging support helps you top up quickly when you're low on power. In this video, we cover everything: camera samples, performance benchmarks, gaming test, battery drain, charging speed, heat check, pros and cons, and the final verdict. If you're a Sony fan or looking for a premium flagship phone in 2026, you definitely don't want to miss this review. Agar video pasand I to like and subscribe karna mad bulna. Ye hi hamari minute ka fuel hi, bye. Red Heart Cell Phone.